I really love the ventilated seats. My back is really cool right now. It's not as quick as I expected it to be, like a DCT should. I really hope that they give us the paddle shifters. And everything about this car just feels really premium. Hey guys, here we have the 2024 Kia Seltos 1.4 Turbo SX, and you're going to be taking it for a quick drive. This is the facelifted model. So let's check out the back seat first. This is my driving position right here. I have tons of footroom, even leg room. It's very comfortable back here. I have this amount of headroom despite having the large panoramic sunroof, which brightens up the cabin. But yeah, the greenhouse is large. You do have a center armrest right here with 2 cup holders. And the seats, I believe, do recline. So the seats fold down 60/40. You have 2 air vents here at the back with USB-C charging port right there and more cubby for your items. You also have a large cubby here on the door. More of that interesting speaker design. So that's the back seat of the Seltos. Check out the boot. The boot space capacity is very impressive. You have this large area right here, again with the 60/40 rear seat folding. You have a spare tire back here with steelies, but again, full size. Some cubby holes back there as well. This doesn't have a power lift gate, but that's what you get. So thanks to the ride height of the Seltos, getting in and out is easy. And here is the key fob for the car. It is very sleek. You have a Kia logo right here. There are no buttons on the front and back. It's actually on the side. So you have your lock, unlock, and your trunk release right here. So to start it, just have the key inside the car and press the start stop button right here. And the 1.5 turbo engine starts up. Dual zone automatic air conditioning for the top of the line SX trim. You can control your fan speed here, your temperatures on either side. Here you have your 2 cup holders. It has a sliding cover right here. This is your gear selector, your driving mode, so your sport, eco, comfort, and individual or smart. You have electronic parking brake with auto hold function. For your seat belts. You have ventilated seats for the top of the line trim, which is a nice feature to have here considering how hot our climate can get. So the driver gets a 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel with multifunction controls on the side. You have your modes here for your radio and Bluetooth and whatnot, voice commands, your volume controls, your cruise control on the right side, and you have another cubby right here with the wireless charger right there, 12-volt power outlet, and a USB input as well. So to put it in drive, you still have a traditional gear selector, but you have a display here indicating what gear you're in. So there are no paddle shifters. Let's go ahead and take it for a drive. Since this is the top of the line SX trim, you have power adjustable driver's seat. Switch it to Eco. Currently in eco mode, steering feels light, easy to maneuver around town for sure. You can hear the 1.4 inside the cabin. This one is turbocharged and it has a dual clutch transmission. So we are going to be able to test that out later. For now, city driving, all good. The automatic headlights just kicked in. There you go. It has LED headlights. Front and center of the driver is a 10.25 inch digital gauge display. So it has your RPMs, your speedometer, and it has that cool digital font, very retro. For the infotainment, you have your 10.25 inch as well, touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. So you can turn it on here by pressing this lever right here. You have your phone, voice memo, climate controls, so more more functionalities for your AC, your radio. You have your sounds of nature, so for when you're in the mood for relaxing. So it's pretty nice that you can set your ambient setting here. You have your quiet mode, so the speakers at the back won't play any music if there are people sleeping in the back seat. You have your sound mood lamp, lighting accents at night, so you can choose your personalized color right here. Overall responsive display. This is your home screen. This is your profile. Overall, the build quality is great, fit and finish. Feels solid. You have an interesting door speaker right here, and everything about this car just feels really premium. You can also change some of your trip computer settings right here. Section 2 Sport. So one thing that's missing here is a Tiptronic shifting or paddle shifter. So the car will just naturally decide what gear you should be in depending on your speed, your throttle input. Steering, I say it's still the same feel. It's still light. Maybe a bit weighted now that I'm in sport. Visibility all around the vehicle is great. You have large greenhouse. So now it's downshifting for me. There's a bit of a turbo lag there, but the shifts are okay. It's not as quick as I expected it to be, like DCT should. And again, I really hope that they give us a paddle shifters. So I think this car is best left in eco or comfort, because overall this crossover is very comfortable to drive. Like, it soaks the bumps pretty well. The steering is light. It's just overall smooth. And if you're into technology, the displays are also in high resolution. So that was a quick drive off the Seltos 1.4 TSX. Put it in park, just hit the unlock button and put it in P. I really love the ventilated seats. My back is really cool right now. Turn it off, turn off the climate control and hit the start stop button. Right guys, that was a POV drive off the Kia Seltos. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.